Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa and in this video we are going to write a program to print n even numbers. Let us write the preprocessor directives hash include in angular brace. We'll write standard input output .h header file, and the next preprocessor directive is hash include in angular brace. We'll write console input output .h header file. Here we are going to write void main function curly open brace, and now I'm going to declare variable of type integer n I is equal to 2. Why I is equal to 2? Because even numbers, the first even number is 2, so that's the reason I is equated with 2. So we may enter any value for n, so up to that limit we can generate even numbers. Okay, next we'll write clr scr function, which is used to clear the screen. Now we will ask the user to enter the number using printf statement. In a double quotation mark I'll write enter the number. Now end the double quotation mark and put semicolon, and here we are going to receive the input from the user through keyboard using scanf statement. In a double quotation mark I'll write %d, end the double quotation mark, put comma, ampersand of n, and then put semicolon. Here we are going to use do while looping construct. Do is a keyword, it should be written in lowercase letter only. So curly open brace indicates it's the beginning of body of do while statement. Now we are going to print the value of I. So here I'm going to write printf. In a double quotation mark we'll write format specifier %d, end the double quotation mark, put comma, and then I. Here after this d, before double quotation I'm going to put comma. Each and every even number should be separated by comma, so that's the reason I'm putting this comma within the double quotation mark, and after double quotation mark comma variable name, and then close the bracket, put semicolon. Now I have to increment the value of I by 2. So I is equal to I plus 2, because I is 2, that is the first even number, and I value is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So it is the next even number. 4 plus 2 will become 6 is the next even number, and so on. Now we'll go for curly closing brace, that indicates that is the termination point of a do while statement, and here we are going to write while. It is also a keyword, it should be written in lowercase letter. Now we are going to write the condition I is less than or equal to n and put semicolon. Here I'm going to write one more statement in order to format the output in a proper way. So printf statement, in a double quotation mark I'm going to use one of the escape sequences called /b. So it is going to provide the backspace. After backspace it is going to put full stop over here, and then end the double quotation mark, and then put semicolon over here. Here I'm going to write get ch, and then curly closing brace for the main function. Now let us take an example. Here once we compile and run this program, it will ask the user to enter the number. Okay, now for example I'm going to enter 5 here. So n is equated with value 5 just because of this scanf statement. Now we are going to print %d I value for the first time it is 2. So it is going to print 2 then comma, just because of this comma before double quotation mark. Now we are going to increment the value of I by 2. Why? Because here we have written I is equal to I plus 2. I earlier first time it was I is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. I is 4, while 4 is less than or equal to n is 5. 4 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. Once again control transfers to do, and it is going to print the value of I. It is going to print the value of I as 4. Correct? So next after this it is going to print comma over here, and 4 value of I is what? 4. 4 plus 2 it will become 6. Next we are going to check the condition. 6 is less than or equal to 5. No, condition fails. Once the condition fails, then the control comes out of this do while looping construct, and it is going to print the next statement. What is the next statement written over here? Printf /b. So which is going to provide the backspace. Backspace means what? It is going to remove this comma, and then it is going to put the full stop. Here it will be full stop after removing the comma. So 2 comma 4 full stop will be printed. Now let us execute this program. For that I will take you to my laptop screen. Here you can see I have already written this program in Turbo C++ compiler to save your time. Let us compile this program by pressing Alt F9. Here it is showing success. That means there is no syntax error, and I'll press enter. Now let us run this program by pressing Control F9. Here it is asking the user to enter the number. For example, I'm going to enter 5 and then press enter. Here it is printing the two even numbers 2 comma 4, and after the backward slash b backspace it is printing full stop. I hope you understood this program. If so, please write down in the comment box as understood. Thank you.